This is No Authentic Shop Art channel. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 10,000 subscribers. Each other. This is No Authentic Shop Art channel. We are here at Lucas Municipal Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 0. My brother, how's it?
Angelo CBC from Mamelodi.
Yeah.
Why not? It's a championship score. Basalla.
Yeah, Masala.
Le mamlambo wa bona tlile lata.
Yeah.
Re feditse ka bona. A ke go rogana. Ba rogana. It's fine.
Majilo sharp.
Na ka go dunela mafello ke ba botse. Wa itse ke bokae? 7 games.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na go draw tse dintse di setsentse.
O sharp ka.
Re feditse ya league ya rona. A ba itse matches ke re. Ba ba tlhalotsetsa.
Yeah.
Krimasha vela itse piano and shine.
And then the
Yeah. By Zamir Opari. Hey, my brother. My brother.
Brother, you're taking the game today?
Yeah, I just want to be honest. Ne? Chiefs was giving us a pressure, especially when coming to the middle field. I mean, Alanda was not on the game. Even Roberto, it was just an individual brilliance, but Chiefs was better than Pirates. Or the way I see Chiefs, if ever it was playing like this, I think it was supposed to be on the third position by this time. But Chiefs give us a problem. I don't know, but I cannot say. Maybe Ronald Williams was not there because it was 11 players.
And you got a clean sheet anyway.
Yeah, we've got a clean sheet. We are very happy for the 3 points because I remember our coach said, we don't mind about the goals, we mind about the 3 points because it's the one that, as long as we can reach 70 points, which means we win the league. Because we can make a multiplication, but will never leave. Will never be.
18 points is too much.
But I think like Chiefs give it all today. It outclassed each and every position. It's just that it was an individual brilliance. I just want to be honest. We never played the way we play because we were one man short. Alenda was not playing. I don't know what coach what did he see.
But he was man of the match today, Alenda. But your man of the match?
For me, my man of the match, Kele. Kele play very his role today, especially Mar. Between two of them, they were controlling the midfield. Us is only individual brilliance.
No, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thanks.
3 points in the back.
3 points in the back.
Hola.